line. I don't go down seriously. The carriage was the infrastructure in Tia CTF. One Noiga, every last in the row, you will let the police for Quagua. Come ever school. Next year, I so I want to ask this government of mine, because I also belong there, that the most important thing that the government can do for us is to build the classes so that our children can get somewhere to learn next year. Another thing that I want to talk to our government. The university. But they made a mistake. How can you give a parent a fee structure? 500,000, 600,000, 300,000. That was erroneous. We said all those letters must be recalled so that on the 5th of this month, secondary school, you are going to get a new fee structure. So what is it? A fee structure here, the rest of the money, let the government pay for our children. And we agree, and we say that's what's going to happen. Kenya, wajue ya kwamba tuko na Kenya moja. Kenya hii ikichomeka, kila mtu atachomeka. Ingawa bora unabana. Hapo baba. Ranko baba. Mwaro tena pale hata kwa hiyo mwaro. Mwaro tena mwaro kinga kaje kama kwa kazi yake. Bwana bantu walikuwa segi na watu na siki kwa mkamte segi yake ndio. Hakuna bantu batabla kuja. This time round, we only need peace so that people can be able to do their things. There are no enough classes in these schools. Every husband knows class here, CPC John CP, it's okay in this comprehensive school. That means the class one to which come next year, the class Yakianda, Ntole Meire, Munakorangana, Omachama Nina Pana.